Let Garmin walk you through the tread installation with the included antenna mounting kit for the best group ride radio performance. You will need your Garmin tread, group ride radio mount, roll bar mount, double socket arm, bare wire power cable, fist mic mount, antenna mounting kit, ring terminals, zip ties, and a flathead screwdriver or 9/32 inch and 5/16 inch nut drivers or sockets. For this video, we will use the 9/32 nut driver and a 5/16 inch nut driver. Garmin strongly recommends having an experienced installer with the proper knowledge of electrical systems install the device. Incorrectly wiring the power cable can result in damage to the vehicles or the battery and can cause bodily injury. The Garmin tread must be mounted close to the bus bar or battery and within the range of the supplied power cable. The mounting location must allow for the routing and connection of all cables. The cables can be extended if necessary. The two included ring terminals will be crimped to the wires. Then, the nut can be removed from the battery cable and the ring terminal can be added to the battery. Excess wires should be bundled and secured using the included zip ties. The electrical contacts must be free from paint. After the bare wire power cable has been installed, we will mount the Garmin tread on a roll bar in the vehicle. First, attach the double socket arm to the roll bar mount. Then, using a 9/32 inch nut driver, loosen the bolts on the roll bar mount until the ring separates. Then, place the mount around the roll bar. Next, tighten the bolt on the mount until the ring is secure. Insert the ball in the group ride radio mount into the double socket arm. Then, tighten the knob slightly. If necessary, rotate the group ride radio mount so that the Garmin logo faces up, and adjust the mount for better viewing and operation. Tighten the knob to secure the mount. Press the Garmin tread into the group ride radio mount until it snaps into place. Ensure the mount is secured. Then, connect the group ride radio power cable to the connector on the vehicle wiring harness. Next, tighten the collar around the connected power cables. Finally, route the power cable along a suitable path in your vehicle. Make sure the excess cable is properly secured using the included zip ties. Next, we will install the antenna using the antenna mounting kit. You can mount your antenna in a suitable location for your vehicle, such as a roll bar at the rear of your vehicle, to receive optimal radio reception. Use this method for vehicles with a roll cage for best results. The mounted antenna must be at least 1.57 inches away from the nearest roll bar or metal surface to avoid radio interference. To begin, screw down and tighten the antenna cable onto the group ride radio mount. Using a 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen the bolt on the antenna mount until the ring separates. Next, place the mount around the roll bar. Then, tighten the bolt on the mount until the ring is secure. Screw down and tighten the antenna onto the antenna plate. Finally, route the antenna cable along a suitable path in your vehicle and secure it using the included zip ties. For the best range performance, use the antenna mounting kit. Only mount the antenna on the group ride mount if it is not possible to install the antenna on the antenna mounting kit. Next, we will install the fist microphone and mount. Warning: it is your responsibility to ensure the mounting location complies with all applicable laws and ordinances and does not block your view of the road during the safe operation of your vehicle. Please note to avoid wires, gauges, airbags, airbag covers, HVAC, and other items when drilling pilot holes and attaching the mount to the vehicle. Garmin is not responsible for any damages or consequences arising from the installation. To begin, align the insert and the connector on the fist microphone onto the group ride radio mount. Ensure the pins are aligned before inserting the connector onto the mount. Then, tighten the collar around the connected cable. Choose a mounting location. Next, use the mount as a template to mark the 3 spaces to drill the pilot holes and install the screws. Finally, slide the fist microphone onto the mount. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.